JBL just dropped a monster upgrade to its legendary party speaker, the Boombox 4, louder, smarter, longer-lasting, and even eco-friendly. This could be the ultimate portable speaker of 2025. Let's break it down. The Boombox 4 isn't just about size, it's about sound. With dual 5-inch woofers, dual tweeters, and 3 passive radiators, this thing delivers booming bass, crisp highs, and powerful output. In AC mode, you get a huge 130 watts RMS, and even on battery, it still pushes serious volume. And thanks to AI Sound Boost, the speaker analyzes music in real time, reducing distortion while keeping maximum power. Even at full blast, it runs on Bluetooth 5.4, supports lossless audio over USB-C, and comes with both Auracast and Party Boost for sensing multiple JBL speakers. Whether it's a backyard BBQ or a festival-level setup, this thing's built to scale up the party. Here's where it gets even crazier, up to 28 hours of battery life. And if you switch on Playtime Boost, you can stretch it to 34 hours non-stop playback. Need quick power? Just 10 minutes of charging gives you 2 hours of music. And yes, the battery is replaceable and doubles as a power bank for your phone. The Boombox 4 is rated IP68 waterproof and dustproof, so pool parties and beach days are no problem. Despite being slightly larger, it's actually lighter at just under 6 kilos, and it comes in black, white, blue, and squad camo finishes. JBL even made it more eco-friendly with recycled materials and sustainable packaging. The JBL Boombox 4 is priced at $550 and starts shipping worldwide on September 28, 2025. So what do you think? Is this the ultimate party speaker upgrade? Or do you still prefer something smaller and portable? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech drops like this. Thanks for watching. Peace out.